the confirmed launch date of the upcoming iPhone 9 and all of the products. So what is up guys, welcome to AGD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video we have with us the confirmed launch date of the upcoming iPhone 9 and of all other products, and also the expected shipment date of the iPhone 9. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting, and guys, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, Apple's March event is going to be one of the most exciting events this year. Apple is going to be launching possibly the AirTag, a 13 to 14-inch MacBook, the Apple TV next generation, a product-ready Apple Watch 5th generation, and the most exciting iPhone 9. Guys, finally the iPhone 9's confirmed launch date is here. Guys, I was earlier discussing that the launch date of the iPhone 9 is going to be in the middle of March and it will start the shipment in the first week of April. Well guys, there is one slight change, and that is instead of the middle of March, the fixed date for the launch of the iPhone 9 is 31st March. The last date of the March month itself, on 31st of March, Apple is going to be launching the iPhone 9 and all other products. So guys, on 31st of March, Apple is going to be launching the iPhone 9, and on 3rd of April, Apple is going to be starting its shipment. If you are living in United States, on 3rd of April, you can pre-order or you can book your iPhone 9 and slowly it will deliver to you. And if you are living in any other country, then the iPhone 9 will slowly come to your region. And in India, this iPhone will come in the last week of April. But there is one thing that I want to say, and that is, if you want to buy this iPhone 9, then make sure that you pre-order your iPhone as soon as possible. Okay guys, if you are living in India, well, in the last week of April, this iPhone will come in India, so make sure that you book your variant. So guys, why I am saying you to book this iPhone as soon as possible? Well, this is going to be one of the most exciting and the most hyped iPhone of 2020. Millions of people all over the world are waiting for this iPhone, and hence the stock might get over in very less time. So guys, Apple is going to be again producing lots of units, but if you want to have the early access to the iPhone 9, then make sure that you pre-order your iPhone as soon as possible. The pre-orders in your respective region will be available after the launch, so make sure that you do the needful. So guys, now let me quickly discuss regarding the basics of the iPhone 9. Well, the iPhone 9 is going to be coming in 3 color variants, from which the first is a product red color, the second is the silver color, and the third is the black color variant. There are going to be 2 storage configurations, from which the first is going to be of 64 GB and the second will be of 128 GB. You are going to be getting 3 GB of RAM with this smartphone, and this smartphone is going to be having a 7 megapixel front camera and a 12 megapixel back camera. The battery life of the iPhone 9 is going to be slightly bigger or slightly greater than the iPhone 8. It is possibly going to be from 2100 mAh to 2500 mAh. So guys, the body design and the entire looks are going to be extremely identical to the iPhone 8, but the Apple logo is going to be coming in the exact center of the iPhone, and the entire iPhone is going to be made up of aluminium body. So guys, this is everything which I wanted to conclude in today's video. So guys, finally we have with us the confirmed launch date and the confirmed shipping date of the iPhone 9. Guys, finally we have with us this iPhone coming out. This is going to be one of the most selling and the most hyped iPhone of 2020. Millions of people from you want to buy this iPhone, and hence make sure that you pre-order your smartphone as soon as possible when it comes out. So guys, finally we have with us the confirmed date, the confirmed launch date of the iPhone 9. On 31st of March, Apple is going to be launching this smartphone, while from 3rd of April the shipments will start. So guys, hope you have liked today's video, and guys, there is one request, and that is, please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,